Good morning, class. Today you guys are going to go over 33-3 bankruptcy. The goals for today are going to be to differentiate between the various types of bankruptcy filings and list the stages of Chapter 7 bankruptcy procedure. So, for the first part, it's the Bankruptcy Act, and you're going to accomplish that first goal that I read. So what is bankruptcy? Bankruptcy is a condition of being unable to pay debts when due or when they become due. So this also refers to a legal process set up to protect creditors by providing court-supervised fair treatment in their competition for the debtor's assets and to protect debtors by giving them an opportunity for a new economic start. So the first piece that you guys are going to do today is actually an activity, and you will get into groups of 2 people. If there's an uneven number, there can be a group of 3. Each group is going to get 1 poster. So the posters are at the front of the room, under the table. You guys know this. You guys are going to read pages 617 through 618, just until the checkpoint. And then on the poster, you are going to compare and contrast and find similarities and differences between Chapter 7, Chapter 11, Chapter 12, and Chapter 13 bankruptcy. And you'll find all that information in the packet. Make sure that you are going to define which each one of those are. You do not need to take notes on this piece of it because you're going to be able to use the poster as a guide for your test on Tuesday. So make sure everything you want is on that poster so you don't have to double up and take notes and do the poster. Alright, you can pause this slide right now and go ahead and get into that activity. Alright, welcome back. The first piece that I want you guys to do with your partner is practice. What's your verdict? Malcolm Eric, owner of Lake Cleaners, decided he had to face the fact that he was overextended. He overextended on his debt. He has too many bills to pay. The new store in the Hollistown Mall had such an expensive monthly payment on its 5-year lease that it was about to cause Malcolm to close down the whole chain. This would mean the loss of jobs for his 9 employees as well as his own financial ruin. In fact, he had been unable to make his monthly payments on the company truck and to his suppliers for the last 3 months. Several suppliers had stopped deliveries to him. He had discussed the situation with his attorney, and they were to meet later today to consider filing bankruptcy. If bankruptcy is Malcolm Eric's only alternative, what form of bankruptcy would you recommend? Okay, go ahead and talk with your partner and bring it back together and talk about it as a group to make sure that you guys all came up with the same solution. Alright, go ahead and press pause and then come back to this video when you are completed. Alright, welcome back. The next piece of it is going to be the guided notes handout. So Mrs. Rosenhammer is going to hand out the guided notes sheets for pages 620 or 618 through 620. So this is bankruptcy procedure under Chapter 7. You can work with your partner you worked with for the last activity so that you can complete the guided notes and read through the last section of the chapter. After that, that should take you up into the end of the hour. Remember, you do have that discussion debrief from our Socratic seminar yesterday to fill out as well. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday.